What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be giving you 10 reasons to pick up the new Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite right here. This is getting to be one of my favorite budget tablets, honestly, of this year. So super excited about this. We're going to go into 10 reasons why I think you guys should go ahead and pick it up. All right, everyone. So we have 10 reasons lined up right here. The first reason has to be that this is a lightweight tablet. Now, I've been using this at nighttime after I get my work done, and honestly, it's been a joy to hold in the hand. It hasn't really been too heavy at all. I know that with a bunch of other tablets, this is really embarrassing, but I would drop the tablet on my face when I'd be looking at it because it'd be so heavy. But this, you guys can hold this with one hand. It's very light to use. It's very nice feeling in the hand, and it's not going to feel like a chore to hold this. Getting into the second reason why I think you guys should pick up this device is that it has an amazing build. Now, this is a really good build for the price. This is an all aluminum and glass build, so you guys aren't going to have a cheap feeling tablet at all. I know a bunch of other companies that have released tablets in the past, especially at this price point, have felt extremely cheap, but this is all metal right here, so it's going to be a nice feeling tablet. It's going to feel expensive, and your friends aren't even going to think that it is a budget tablet. Not that you should be hiding that from anybody. I don't think anybody should feel bad about having a budget phone or anything, because I rock everything budget. But in my opinion, it is a nice build, and it also has some really good edges and designs. I just think the form factor is really sexy. As you guys can see, we still get the metal or aluminum power button and volume up and down rocker as well, so it looks really nice. Third reason has to be this huge 8.7-inch display. We have a fairly big display on this device, and with other devices from Apple and from other tablet companies, we don't really get that small of bezels that we get on here. So these are fairly small bezels on this A7 Lite, and I've been liking how it's been looking as well. So really big display on here. You guys aren't going to get lost in the sauce when you are watching movies and things like that. It's not going to cut off your vision from seeing certain things. So the aspect ratio and the screen is just another reason why I love this tablet. Another reason definitely has to be that we have Android 11.0 on this tablet. And we're actually rocking UI 3.1, so it's nice to see that Samsung gave us 3.1 and Android 11 on this budget tablet, and everything's been working so great so far. It's been really smooth. Obviously, you have those few hiccups when you first boot up the device, but when you start using this device, it's going to run very smoothly, going to run very fluid. So really liking that we have that operating system on here. Fifth reason has to be that this has a huge battery. Not only does this have a huge battery at 5,100 milliamps, but we also have 15-watt fast charging on this device as well. So, this device charges up very, very quickly. I have to say, it really surprised me how quick this actually charged up. And so if you guys are power users, if you guys are gaming on your tablet, this is going to be a great tablet for you, especially since we have a big battery and a big charger with some good wattage on it to go ahead and charge you up very quickly to get you back straight into your game. Sixth reason has to be the speakers on this device. Now we're going to go ahead and test out the speakers right here just to show you. Obviously, this isn't going to do it justice. You guys are going to have to take a look at this tablet in real life. But this tablet has some really, really good speakers. We actually have a speaker at the top right here, and we have a speaker at the bottom. So we have dual speakers on this budget tablet right here. And this is really getting to be one of the best budget tablets of 2021, if not the best. And I'll go ahead and reveal that in my full review. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the sound. So let's go ahead and play this loud. Let's go ahead and turn this all the way up. Man, this has some really loud speakers. So very loud speakers, not just loud, very clear as well. I've really been enjoying my experience with this tablet, and I really think you guys are going to enjoy these speakers as well. Number 7, and we're getting on to something that really matters, is the price of this device. So I actually picked up this device for $149, but this device you can actually pick up on Amazon right now for $129. Now I know the holidays are coming very close. December is gonna come up very, very quickly. So I think you guys have your gift for your kid or for someone that you love right here at $129. And if you guys want to go ahead and pick up this device, I will leave an affiliate link in the description down below as well as the top comment. And that always helps out the channel when you shop from those links. But for $129, you guys are just getting so much inside of this tablet. It's insane, honestly. Number 8 has to be that this is a great tablet for light usage like gaming and Netflix. We are going to do our full gaming review on this tablet, but I'm pretty sure that it's capable of PUBG Mobile and games like Call of Duty Mobile as well. We're going to go ahead and test that out in another video. If I get that done before this video, I'll leave that in the link in the description down below. But you know, very, very great tablet for light usage. My favorite tablet this year. Number 9, we're going to be getting into the display finally. Very, very bright display, and this really surprised me, but it has a very great display. Great saturation that, you know, can only be replicated by Samsung. So really love the colors in this device, and I think you guys are going to very much enjoy them as well. So in sunlight, you guys are going to be able to use this, as well as at night when those colors just come alive and they pop. So really, really do like this, and we're just gonna go ahead and play a video really quick just to show you how good this actually looks. So just really quick, guys, as far as YouTube goes, you can actually watch videos up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on, and I think you guys are gonna like what you see. So here we go. Big, beautiful display. Awesome colors right here. This is definitely going to be one of the best media tablets of the year. I feel like one of the best tablets of the year as far as the budget goes. But amazing screen on this. Very, very beautiful screen. The price tag is very, very key in this. Beautiful screen for that $129 price tag. Now the 10th reason is going to be a little bit of a weird reason, or just a reason that I don't think you guys would think of, but the 10th reason has to be that this has a very responsive keyboard and it's very easy to use. It honestly just feels like a phone, to be quite honest. So let's just go ahead and type in something right here. The cow jumped over the moon. And very responsive. We didn't miss anything right there, but definitely like the feedback from this tablet and the responsiveness. One of the best I've seen on a budget tablet. Samsung, you guys are doing amazing things with these tablets. And, you know, just taking a look back at, you know, like the Nexus 7 tablet, one of my first tablets, this is a big step. You know, when that tablet came out, it was a little bit more than this, as you guys know. And just tablets coming out at $129 right now. This is right here, I'd say this is the best budget tablet of the year, to be quite honest. Yeah, guys, those are my 10 reasons to pick up the new Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Literally my favorite tablet of the year so far, and you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned for the review. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.